Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, the next chapter that we are going to start is chapter number 20, volume surface area of solid. Volume and surface area of solid. Page number 218. 218. Open page number 218. All of you.
Sir. Open.
Chapter 20. Volume and surface area of solids. Volume and surface area of solids. Okay. This is the chapter. Let's wait a minute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let's wait for a minute. Let's see if students are joining or not. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Pratyush Pal is not from this class. Pratyush, this is not your class. Okay, let's start then. um, Here we are going to learn about what is volume, what is surface area of a solid. Okay, and we will also study that how we can use the formulae of volume and surface area in various word problems in various situations, how we can apply them. Okay, just a minute, there is some problem with the power. Okay. So I was explaining, yeah, that first of all, we are going to study about all the formulae related to a cuboid. Okay. I will also tell you the difference between volume and surface area. Do you know anyone what is the meaning of volume of a solid? Anyone knows meaning of volume of a solid?
No.
Do you don't know the meaning of area?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Area is actually of a 2D object. The portion that is covered by the space that is not a space actually on a 2D surface, plane surface, the amount of part covered by a particular shape, that is known as area. Okay, it is of two-dimensional shape area. For 3D shape, this cuboid is a 3D shape. Okay, 3D object. 3D objects uh, not only occupy a plane, they are capped on a, suppose this cuboid is capped on a plane surface. Okay, this is capped on a plane surface. Suppose it is capped on a table. Okay, so yeah, suppose this is the table, and this cuboid is capped on this table surface. So this table is a plane surface. Okay, this table is a plane surface. This cuboid is of covering some part of this table because of the bottom base surface of the cuboid. It is occupying some part of the table. So that is only the area. Okay. Now, not only on a plane surface, this cuboid is occupying some space also in the air. हवा में भी तो कुछ जगह ये घेर रहा है, राइट और नॉट? दिस क्यूबॉइड केवल टेबल के ऊपर का सरफेस थोड़ी ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है, इट इज ऑल्सो ऑक्यूपाइंग some space in the air. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
total space occupied by this solid or any solid is known as total space occupied is known as volume of the solid. Okay, so that is volume. Or we can also say that the capacity of a solid. If suppose if I fill the solid, suppose this is a box kind of thing, and if I fill water in this box with the help of a pipe or something, if I fill it with the water, okay, so it will, the amount of water that this solid can hold, that means the capacity of this solid is also the volume. The capacity of this solid will be equal to the space occupied by the solid. Both will be same. जितनी इसने space occupy करी और जितनी इसकी capacity है is the same thing. That is also known as the volume. Are you getting the point, everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the meaning of volume of an object. Surface area is simple. You already know area. What is the meaning of area? So in a 3D object, as we saw here just now, there was a cuboid. Let me draw it quickly. There was a cuboid. A cuboid has how many surfaces? How many surfaces a cuboid has? Do you have a box kind of thing with you right now? You all must have seen a mobile box. Mobile boxes are in which shape? Mobile boxes. Mobile phone boxes are in which shape? They are in the shape of cuboid. So how many surfaces are there in that box? There are six surfaces.
Sir,
If
6.
sorry, yeah, Pranjali. There is no power, and my laptop's battery is going down. Thank God. Yeah. So there are six surfaces in a cuboidal box, and all the surfaces are in which shape? Tell me. If you see any one surface of the box, what is the shape of that one surface? Suppose only this.
Sir, rectangle.
Absolutely right. It is a rectangle. The each of the surfaces of a cuboidal box are in the shape of a rectangle. This top surface is a rectangle, right? So similarly, there are total six rectangles in a cuboidal box. If I add the areas of all the six rectangles, if I add the areas of all the six rectangles, this will give me what? This will give me the total surface area of the given solid. Are you getting the point, everyone? It will give me the total
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
surface area of the solid. So have you all understood the meaning of surface area and volume? Surface area and volume are different things. Volume is the capacity. कितना वो अपने अंदर होल्ड कर सकता है या कितनी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है. Okay, so that is volume, and surface area is the only the outer portion, the area of the outer portion of the solid. Getting the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the difference between volume and surface area. Let's now discuss the formulae, the volume and surface area of a cuboid, because I have already drawn a cuboid, so let's use it. A cuboid has three dimensions: length, then there is breadth and height. Length, breadth, and height. Three dimensions. The volume of any solid, remember the formula. Volume of any rectilinear solid is base area into height of the solid. Base area into height. What is the meaning of base area? Can you tell me what is the base of this cuboid? The base of the cuboid is in which shape? Look at this. This is the base, right? This is the base of the solid. So what is the shape of the base? क्या shape है base की? What is the shape? It is, yes, all of you.
A rectangle.
It is a rectangle. Very good. And the area of rectangle is length into breadth, right?
Yes.
So base area means area of the base of the solid. So here in this case, it is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, and L into B multiplied by height. So this is the formula of the
Volume.
volume of a cuboid. Okay. Volume of cuboid. Let's do the next one. I hope you all are writing these formulas. The next formula will be total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid. Now total surface area is very simple, very easy thing. Just add all the 6 rectangles, areas of all the 6 rectangles, you will get the total surface area. So in the bottom there is a rectangle, right? As you all just now told me. So the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Can I write LB?
Yes, sir.
Area of rectangle in the base. Same is the top of the rectangle. This is also a rectangle which has the same area. This is also a rectangle at the top. So this top is also a rectangle which has the same area, L into B, right? LB. Then the side wall of the rectangle. These are walls of the rectangle. Front walls and side walls. So I'm talking about the side walls of the rectangle first. Side walls of the rectangle are also in the shape of, sorry, the side walls of the cuboid are also in the shape of rectangle. So this rectangle has area equal to base into height, BH. Why base into height? Because the dimensions are different. Side walls. Dimensions of the side walls are different. Right, everyone?
Yes,
Base.
sir.
Same goes for the wall which is in front of it. Two walls are of the same kind. So base into height plus base into height again. This one. ये वाली जो wall है. This one. Okay. And then the front wall of the rectangle area will be LH. L into H. And then the wall which is on the back side, its area will also be LH. So this gives us 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. If we take 2 common, we get the formula of total surface area, the final formula, LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is known as TSA, short form. Total surface area. The short form of total surface area is TSA. Got it, all of you? This is the formula of total surface area of a cuboid.
Yes, sir.
Now, the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, the meaning is area of the walls, only of the walls. This is known as lateral surface area. One more thing is there. Surface area are of two types. First one is total surface area, and the second one is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is very simple. Area of only of the four walls of the rectangle is known as, of the cuboid, is known as lateral surface area. That means in this you will not include the area of the base and the top. Look at your room. Your room is in the shape of a cuboid, right? See your room. It is in the shape of a cuboid. If you add the areas of only of the walls, of the four walls are there in the room. If we add the areas of all the four walls, we get the lateral surface area. Don't count the area of the base, the floor. Your room has a floor. Don't include the area of floor. Don't include the area of ceiling also. If we include the area of floor and ceiling and all the four walls, then we get total surface area. But if we skip the area of floor and ceiling, we get lateral surface area. That means area of only four walls. So this is now you will not count floor and ceiling. So that means you will add only BH plus BH plus LH plus LH. That means all the four walls. So this becomes 2BH plus 2LH. Now in this case, we can take 2 common as well as H common. 2H is common. So we get L plus B in the bracket. B plus L या फिर L plus B, it is the same thing. So this is your formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid. 2H L plus B. Fine. Write down all the three formulas. Draw the figure
Excuse me,
also.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the lateral surface area, we do not count the area of the upper one ceiling and the floor.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Written. All of you. So this is your cuboid. All the
Yes,
formulae.
sir.
Let's move on to the next figure, which is cube. Ready? All of you? Done?
Yes, sir.
Cube. The difference between a cube and cuboid is that cuboid surfaces are rectangles, and in case of a cube, the surfaces are square, square in shape. So this is a cube. You can see that all the six surfaces are square. In a cube, all the sides are equal. So we take each side as equal to A. This is also a three-dimensional shape, but it has all the three sides, all the three dimensions equal. A. That means all the surfaces are square. Let's write down all the formulae of a cube. So volume, as you all know, volume is equal to base area into height. So let's derive the formula of a cuboid. Base, what is the base of a cube? Sorry, cube. What is the base of a cube? It is square shape. The area of a square is side square. That means A square. In this case, the height of the cube is also A because it is a cube. The height is same as the length and breadth. A. Everything is same. So that means we get the volume equals to A cube. A cube is the volume of a cube. Total surface area of a cube. So each surface of the cube is a square. There are six square surfaces in a cube. Can I say this, that each surface is a square? So there are six square surfaces in a cube. and the area of each square is a square. Area of each square is a square. Therefore, if we add all the six areas, all the six areas of all the six squares, we get 6a square as the total surface area of the cube. Simple. 6a square total surface area. Lateral surface area 4a square, because we are adding only the areas of the walls. There are four walls in a room. If the room is cube, there are four walls and all the four walls are square in shape. Area of each wall is a square. So area of four walls equal to 4a square. 4 multiplied by a square. Written.
Yes,
You
sir.
write the formula for cylinder also, although the exercise for cylinder is the second one, 20 by B, exercise 20B, but we will write down the formula. The chapter is very, very, very important because in your higher classes, 9th and 10th, the questions which are given in your book, same questions are also there in 9th and 10th. Same questions, almost same. Only the figures could be different, numbers could be different, but same questions. One more thing, the concept will also remain the same in class 9th and 10th. The shape could be different. In class 9th and 10th, 2 3 more shapes you are going to study. Like you will also study cube in class 9th and 10th. Cube, sphere, and hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. So you will study about volume and surface area of cube. Sorry, cone and sphere. Cone, sphere, hemisphere, and then in class 10 there is a shape called frustum. Also, frustum is half of cone. Okay, the if you cut the cone in half and then you get the bottom part of that cone, so that bottom part is known as frustum. Okay, so you will study these shapes also in 9th and 10th. These shapes will also be there. Cube, cuboid, and cylinder will also be there, and each and every concept is the same as in class 8th. Okay, so very important chapter. Okay, let's do it for cylinder. Write down the heading cylinder. What is a cylinder? The water bottle mostly are in the shape of cylinder. The water bottles that you bring to school, most of them are in the shape of cylinder only. This is a cylinder. Okay. The top of a cylinder is circular in shape, circular top, and the bottom of the cylinder is also circular in shape. A circle has a particular radius, and there is a curved surface of a cylinder also. So there are total three surfaces in a cylinder. The top is circular, the bottom is circular. Both the circles have the same radius, parallel to each other, both the circles. And then there is a particular height of the cylinder. Okay, h. So this is a cylinder. Understand, all of you? Let me show you something which is
Yes,
in
sir.
shape of a cylinder. Something if it is kept here. You already know what is a cylinder, I think. But still, it will be easier for me to explain the formula. Okay. Yeah. So this is a um, talcum powder box. So this is in the shape of a cylinder. You can see. Okay. The bottom of the shape is circular. The top is also circular, and this is the curved surface. This surface is the curved surface of the cylinder. So total three surfaces are there. The volume of a cylinder, same method we will use to find out the volume. Volume of cylinder is base area. Can you see I'm finding out the formula by using the same method? Base area into height. In all the figures I have written the same formula so that you do not get confused. Volume is base area into height. So what is the base in this case? What is the base of this solid? Cylinder का base की shape क्या होती है? Just a minute. Let me share the link. I have not shared my link in the next class. What is the shape, all of you, of the base of a cylinder? The shape is circular, a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r square into h. This is the volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of a cylinder. Okay. Then there is total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder. If you multiply the circumference of a circle by h, you will get the total surface area. What is the circumference? What is the circumference? 2 pi r into h. So this is total surface area. And then there is this is curved surface area only. For total, this is only the area of the curved surface. So in the curved surface area, if I add the areas of both the circles, that means pi r square plus pi r square, this makes 2 pi r square. If I add this also, then I get the total surface area of the cylinder. And then the last one is curved surface area. Curved surface area we have already discussed. This is 2 pi r h. So don't count the area of the circles in it. So this gives you the curved surface area. उसमें circle का area count नहीं करेंगे. That means we will not include the base area and the top area, we will count only the curved surface area, 2 pi r. Okay, write down all the formulae. We have another period today, right?